girl, Lady J. I'm coming to do a show and tell about pop-on veneers. They come in a box like this within 2 days. It comes with a toothbrush, a mold of your teeth where you can put your teeth on at night, some cleaning tablets, and a toothbrush. And it comes in something like this. My words didn't erased off because I had it for a while. It comes with a code on the back when you become a VIP customer, so you get a spare pair just in case. This is me without them. My teeth are spaced out, a little stained, and I have some missing teeth in the back. On my veneers, I did the type 2 pop-on veneers, and I put it across on the top. You'll be able to see. Hold on. My teeth are Hollywood white. Here's the cross. They fit my teeth perfectly. They're not too loose. I don't have a lisp anymore, I don't believe. But yeah, they have payment plans. They're not that expensive. I haven't eaten them on yet, so I don't know how it is to eat in them. And that's about it. I love them. I love smiling, and I got my smile back, got my confidence back. I hope you order them and get your smile back soon. Bye. Love you with the love of God.